Hello students, welcome back to Luminary Academy, and today we'll be solving question number 5 of class 10th chapter number 8 trigonometry, okay, of exercise 8.1. So here is the question, that is sec theta is equals to 13 by 12. Okay, calculate all the trigonometric ratios. So first you need to make the triangle. See, you should remember that you need to make the triangle every time, okay, and that too a right angle triangle, because without that it is impossible to solve this question. It is possible, it will be difficult for you. So I would say that make a triangle always. Okay, so I will taking at this as theta, so this will be your base, this will be your perpendicular, and this will be a hypotenuse. Okay, I can name it as ABC. Okay, so you know that sec is opposite of cos, so you know that some people have curly black hairs, so sec will be hair upon base, right? So this so if I write this sec theta 13 upon 12, so the numerator will be hypotenuse, so this will be 13 from here to here, okay, and base will be 12, right? So base will be 12, so you need to find the perpendicular first. So by PGT you can find that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So what is AC square? 13 square. What is AB square? That is 12 square. And BC square you already know. You need to find this, sorry, you need to find this. So 13 square is 169, 14 square is 12 square is 144 plus BC square. So you need to shift this to this side. So 169 minus 144 is equals to BC, and you can put the under root here, so it will be 25, right? So BC will be equal to 5, right? So you got the value of BC will be equal to 5, right? So you can write it here that your perpendicular is 5. Now you need to find sine theta. Some people have cos, you already know, and then also we need to find, some people have curly black hairs through प्रॉपर ब्रशिंग, ठीक है, एंड इसके अपोजिट भी निकल देते हैं. साइन का उल्टा कॉसेक, कॉसेक थीटा विल बी हाइपोटेनस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर. सेक थीटा यू ऑलरेडी नो, इट विल बी हाइपोटेनस अपॉन बेस, एंड कॉट थीटा इज base upon perpendicular, right? Now sin theta, so perpendicular will be 5 because this is 5, and hypotenuse will be 13, so this is your 13. Now here base is 12, so base will be 12, and hypotenuse is 13. Here perpendicular is 5 upon 12. Here it will be, hypotenuse will be 13 and perpendicular will be 5, so 13 upon 5, and it is hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is 13 and base is 12, 13 upon 12. Cot theta, base upon perpendicular, so base is 12 and perpendicular is 5. Okay, so we have done all the trigonometric ratios, so done with the question. So I hope it is easy and you understand this. Please keep watching and share with your friends. Thank you.